Hello, friends. Welcome to our vocabulary lesson for today. Yesterday, we learned our 5 new words for this week. And today, we're going to write down sentences to help you remember those words, synonyms, and antonyms. So make sure you have completed your lesson from Monday and wrote down your words and definitions. Let's go ahead and get started today. First, let's review our words. Our words this week are wound, sluggish, exterior, interior, and generate. So our first word was wound, which meant an injury. Our sentence is Alex used a bandage to cover his wound. Alex used a Band-Aid to cover his wound. So he put a Band-Aid or bandage over his injury to make sure it was protected. Synonyms for the word wound are injury, bruise, or cut. Depending on the type of wound that you have, you could just say, I have an injury, or I have a bruise, or I have a cut. And you would treat each of those wounds differently. Antonyms would be uninjured or unbroken. So if I didn't have a wound, that means I'm not injured, so I'm uninjured, or it's not broken, unbroken. Our next vocabulary word we learned was sluggish, moving slow. Our sentence, I'm always a little sluggish in the morning if I stay up too late the night before. I am always a little sluggish in the morning if I stay up too late the night before. And some of you are sluggish no matter how late or early you go to bed. In the morning, some of you definitely probably move slow. So I'm always a little sluggish in the morning if I stay up too late the night before. Synonyms for sluggish are slow or inactive, which would mean not active. Antonyms, or the opposites, would be fast, active, or lively. There should be a comma there between active and lively. So if I'm not moving slow, it means I'm moving fast, I'm very active, or I'm lively. So again, sluggish, I'm always a little sluggish in the morning if I stay up too late the night before. Our synonyms are slow or inactive. Antonyms are fast, active, lively. Our next word we learned was exterior, meaning the outside. Our sentence, Dad was short on time, so he only washed the exterior of the car. So he washed the outside of the car, not getting the inside cleaned. There's a cause and effect there. Dad was short on time, so he only washed the exterior of the car, the outside. Synonyms for exterior are outside or outer. Outer or outside are the same thing as exterior. And antonyms are interior, inside, or middle. So if I'm not on the outside, that means that I'm on the inside. I'm interior, inside, or middle. So again, exterior, Dad was short on time, so he only washed the exterior of the car. Synonyms are outside and outer. Antonyms are interior, inside, and middle. Our next word was interior, which was the opposite of exterior. Mom paid someone to decorate the interior of our home. Mom paid someone to decorate the interior of our home. So to decorate the inside, so putting up wallpaper or painting, adding pillows and different photo frames and decorations on the inside of your home. Synonyms for interior are inside or inner. Antonyms for interior would be exterior or outside. So you can see interior and exterior are the opposites. Interior means inside or inner, and the opposite would be exterior or outside. And our last word for this week was generate, which meant to create something. The class was asked to generate a response to the test. So the class was asked to create a response, which is an answer, to the test. So they were asked to come up with an answer. To generate is to create. The class was asked to generate a response to the test. Synonyms are create, make, or produce. Those are all synonyms meaning the same thing as generate. You create, you make, or produce. And we talked about produce when we talked about economics, that you make products or produce. Antonyms would be to destroy or to break. So if I'm not creating it, I'm destroying it or breaking it. So again, generate is the class was asked to generate a response to the test, meaning to create something. Synonyms are create, make, and produce. Antonyms are destroy and break. All right, I will see you soon for Wow Word Wednesday and then our review of last week and this week's words.